Hello everyone, myself Vandana Patel from Sage School of Engineering and Technology Department. Today's topic is operating system. So now I will discuss operating system and its types. Go to the slides 1. So here, what is an operating system? An operating system is a system software that acts as an intermediary interface between a user of a computer and the hardware. System software that directly operates the hardware and provides the basic functionality to the user as well as to the other software that operates smoothly. Its purpose is to provide an environment in which a user can execute program in a convenient and do his problem solve easily. Now role play by the operating system. First one is resource manager. A computer system usually has a many hardware and software resources such as a processor, memory disk, printers, input-output devices, etc. Operating system act as a manager of these resources. Second one is service provider. Operating system act as a service providers. They provide many types of services like input-output operations, file system management, error detection, resource allocation, accounting, protection, and security. And third one is interface. They provide an interface between hardware and software. Operating system goals: execute user programs and make solve user problems easier. Make the computer system convenient to use the computer hardware in efficient manner. Go to the next slides. Here are the types of the operating system. Here are the different types of operating systems. First one is batch operating system. Second is multi-programming operating system. Third is time-sharing operating system, multi-processing operating system, distributed operating system, network operating system, real-time operating system, and embedded operating system. Go to the next slides. Now we will discuss first one, batch operating system. In the batch operating system, does not interact with the computers directly. Each user prepare his jobs on an offline device like punch cards and submit it to the computer operators. There is an operator which takes similar jobs having the same requirement and group them into the batches. Here showing the diagram so we can easily imagine what's going on. Go to the next slides. Multi-programming operating system. Multi-programming means more than one process in main memory which are directly ready to execute. Process generally requires CPU time and input output time. So if running process perform input output or some other event which do not require CPU, the instead of sitting idle, CPU make context switching and pick some other process and this idea will continue. CPU never idle unless there is no process ready to execute or at time of context switches. These types of operating system used to execute more than one job simultaneously by a single processor. As shown in figure, how the multi-programming works. Go to the next slides. Time sharing operating system. These system also known as multitasking operating system. The task can be from a single user or different user also. It has only one CPU but switches between processes so quickly that it gives an illusion that all the executing at the same time. The time that each task gets to execute is called quantum. After this time interval is over, operating system switches over the next task. The main idea of this operating system is better response time and executing multiple processes together. Go to the next slides. Fourth one is multiprocessor operating system. In multiprocessor operating system, two or more CPU with a single computer in a close communication sharing the system bus, memory, others input-output devices. Different processes may run on a different CPU through parallel lines. It executes multiple jobs at the same time and makes the processing faster. It supports large physical address space and larger virtual address space. If one processor fails, then other processor should retrieve the interrupt process state so execution of the process can continue. Inter-processes communication mechanism is provided and implemented in hardware. Here the different types of processor connected with a one shared memory. Go to the next slides. Distributed operating system. Distributed operating system means provide a distributed environment all over the world. That is, all the computers are geographically separated. Here the diagram show different types of computer are situated different area and communicate with a shared communication network. Independent system possesses their own memory unit and CPU. These are referred to also known as loosely coupled system. Now go to the next slide. Network operating system. In network operating system, the computers to communication with other computers via a network conveniently and cost effectively. These types of operating system also share the access of files, printers, security, applications, and other networking function over a small private network. The other computers are called client computers, and each computer that connected to a network server must be running client server designed to request a specific server. It is also known as tightly coupled system. Go to the next slides. Real-time operating system. In real-time operating system are used where a large number of events must be accepted and provides in a short time or within the deadlines. The time interval required to a process and response to input is a very small. This time interval is also called response time. Real-time systems are used when there are time requirements that are very strict, like missile system, air traffic control system, robotics, etc. Go to the next slides. And this is the last operating system, that is embedded operating system. An embedded operating system is designed to perform a specific task for a device is not a computer. Embedded operating systems are now found in automobiles, barcode scanners, cell phones, medical equipment, and personal digital assistant. The most popular embedded operating system for consumer products such as PTS. Some example of embedded operating system are digital camera, digital wristwatch, MP3 players, refrigerator, washing machine, and microwave ovens, temperature measurement systems, and calculators. Thank you for watching.